Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about numerical based on the two-port network. So I told you already I am going to develop 3-4 parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 for solving numerical based on the two-port network. So this is part 1. I am going to talk only one numerical. Find the Z parameter, Y parameter, transmission parameter and H parameter. मतलब in this problem only I am going to find all 4 types of parameter. इस टाइप का न्यूमेरिकल आएगा नहीं, किसी 2 पैरामीटर पूछ सकते हैं, बट एक ही प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व करना है, हाउ टू फाइंड ऑल पैरामीटर्स, आई वांट टू डिस्कस दैट ओनली. Okay, so first of all I have given this problem. I am going to find the Z parameter. याद रखना y भी निकालना है तो पहले मैं z ही निकालूंगा. ट्रांसमिशन पैरामीटर निकालना है, आई विल फाइंड z पैरामीटर. h पैरामीटर निकालना है तो आई विल फाइंड द z पैरामीटर. पहले मैं हर प्रॉब्लम में z पैरामीटर निकालूंगा एंड देन आई विल यूज द रिलेशनशिप. क्लियर? सो प्लीज बी केयरफुल अबाउट एक प्रॉब्लम कैसे करना है. जस्ट हियर फर्स्ट वी हैव टू लूप्स, टू नोड, टू ports are there, v1 v2 and both current i1 and from port 2 i2 both will be incoming current. Be careful about it. दोनों पोर्ट से दोनों करंट जो है ना i1 और i2 इनकमिंग है. इसका मतलब लूप ऐसा लेना है, i1 for first loop and for second loop i2, both incoming currents. Be careful about it. Clear? This is the first step we have to follow. Both current should be incoming current. So ये ऐसा इस प्रॉब्लम में ऐसा नहीं लेना कि क्लॉकवाइज और ये भी है क्लॉकवाइज. एक क्लॉकवाइज लोगे तो क्या होगा, ये अपोजिट हो जाएगा. सो बोथ, दिस इज इनकमिंग, दिस इज आल्सो इनकमिंग. नाउ लूप 1 आई एम राइटिंग द KVL. Right, if you write the KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop 1, in this loop I1 कहाँ fill हो रहा है, 2 and 3, so it is 5I1, 2 plus 3, that is 5I1. I1 is flowing in 2 and 3. At the same time, when you are talking this loop की जब बात कर रहे हैं आप, तो इसमें 3 ohm कॉमन है between 1 and loop 2, so इसमें I2 भी flow हो रहा है. I1 डाउनवर्ड है, I2 is also डाउनवर्ड, so यहाँ प्लस आएगा. Plus what? 3I2 equal to minus plus V1. Equation number 1. Similarly, loop 2. When you talk loop 2, I2 कहाँ flow रहा? 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, that is 7I2. At the same time, when you are talking this loop, इसमें 3 ohm is common, इसमें I1 भी है, and the I2 डाउनवर्ड है, I1 भी डाउनवर्ड है, तो यहाँ आएगा प्लस what? 3I1 equal to what? Minus a plus equal to V2. This is equation number 2. I got it. Now standard equation of Z parameter क्या है? Standard equation of Z parameter. So compare करना है तो आपको Z parameter मालूम चाहिए. Yes, V1 and V2 in terms of what? I1 and I2. ऐसे ही लिखा था ना आपको. We have to represent V1 and V2 in terms of current I1 and I2. V is a function of current. यहाँ प्लस साइन है और यहाँ 1 है तो Z11, 1 2 है तो Z12, 2 1 है तो Z21 and 2 2 Z22. Equation number A, standard equation A and B. This is the standard equation of Z parameter. Now if you compare 1 and A, कंपेयर करेंगे तो V1 in terms of I1 I2, V1 in terms of I1 I2. इसका मतलब है Z11 on comparison. On comparison 1 and A क्या आएगा? Z11 equal to what? 5 ohm, right? Z12 equal to what? 3 ohm, right? Similarly, if we compare and comparing B and 2, so Z21 equal to what? 3 ohm, and Z22 equal to what? 7 ohm. So this is the way I got it all 4 parameters Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22, right? So just you have to write the KVL. Both current should be incoming current. You have to write the KVL and write the standard equation and compare it. Okay. Second, I want to find the Y parameter. Y parameter, right? So please, Y parameter. So I'm going to use next page here. Sorry. Y parameter. What is the Y parameter? I'm rubbing it. यहाँ already I have written the equation. Y parameter का equation ये लिखा है, right? So I'm going to use that equation only. Y11 equal to, अच्छा, okay. So I got earlier Z11 equal to what? 5 ohm. Z12 3 ohm. Z21 3 ohm, and Z22 I got 7 ohm. I got it. From the next, in the last slide I got it. Okay, Z parameter I got it, right? So first of all we will get the del Z. Del Z equal to क्या होता है? Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21, right? Z11 कितना है? 5, Z22 7, 5 into 7 35, minus Z12 3 and Z21 3, so minus 3 into 3 9, so I will get 26 del Z. Okay, I got it. Y11 equal to what? Y11 equal to what? Z22 upon del Z. Z22 upon del Z. Z22 कितना है? 7. 7 by 26 more. Y22. Y22 बोलो. Y22 equal to क्या है? Z11 upon del Z. Z11 is what? 5. 5 by 26 more. Y12. Y12 equal to minus Z12 upon del Z. Z12 कितना? Minus 3 upon 26 more. And Y21 equal to minus Z21 upon del Z equal to minus 3 by 26 more. So in this way, you will be in position to find Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22 by using this formula. क्लियर? ये ऑलरेडी हमने डेवलप किया था. सो प्लीज आपको ये फार्मूला याद रखना है. यू विल गेट इट easily. So I got 2 parameters. The third parameter we are going to try, that is what? What is that? Transmission parameter we have to find. So एक काम करता हूँ, I am rubbing it. Okay, I am rubbing it. Can I rub it? Okay. So मैं ये मान के चल रहा हूँ I know it. Be careful about it. Whenever you are solving, you must know all these 4 parameters. Okay. Now we are going to develop the कौन सा transmission parameter. So I am going for transmission parameter. We are going to find it, right? Anyway, जेड पैरामीटर इक्वेशन क्या है? जेड पैरामीटर इक्वेशन इज व्हाट? Okay, sorry. Just wait. I'm rubbing it. Okay. First of all, I'm writing Z parameter equation. If you see the problem, I got V1, V2 in terms of what? Z11, 5 I1 plus 3 I2, and V2 equal to, we got 3 I1 plus 7 I2. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड 2 वी गॉट फ्रॉम द केवीएल. अगर आपको नहीं याद है तो याद रखो, ऐसा कुछ इक्वेशन दिया था हमको. This was 3, 2, 4. I had taken I1 in this direction or I2 in this direction I had taken. Right? Both currents are incoming, and based on that, if you write the KVL, you will get this equation. V1 equal to what? 2 plus 3, 5 I1, loop 1 plus 3 I2, and loop 2, 4 plus 3, 7 I2 plus 3 I2 1 equal to V2. So we got Z parameter equation from here. KVL लिखा है हमने. Okay, and Y parameter, sorry, क्या निकालना? ट्रांसमिशन पैरामीटर. ट्रांसमिशन पैरामीटर इक्वेशन क्या है? 1 is a function of 2. V1 and I1 is a function of V2 and I2. यहाँ माइनस साइन है, याद रखना. ये A B C D इक्वेशन नंबर 3 and 4. So 1 2 आपको मालूम है, but 3 and 4 ये ट्रांसमिशन पैरामीटर. Right? Now please see here, you can say V2 I1 I2, V2 I1 I2. Just see here, 4 and 2. Just see there, V2 I1 I2. ये भी V2 I1 I2 है. So rearrange 4. I am not going to mug up formula for ABCD. Directly compare करना है. थ्योरी में जैसा दिया था वैसे ही we will solve it. ओके, थ्योरी में ऐसे किया था, रीअरेंज 4. सो हम जस्ट सी हियर, यहाँ पर V2 I1 I2 है, यहाँ पर भी V2 है I1 I2. सो V2 इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? V2 इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? C V2 इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? I1, और ये उधर जाएगा तो प्लस DI2. राइट ना? ये 4 को रीअरेंज किया तो I will get. So V2 इक्वल टू व्हाट? 1 by C I1 plus D by C I2. 5. Compare 2 and 5. Compare 2 and 5. So 1 by C equal to what? 3. 1 by C equal to 3. So C equal to what? 1 by 3. C equal to what? C उधर जाएगा, ये इधर आएगा तो मो आएगा. ये देख लो ना, ये C उधर गया तो ये, तो I upon V क्या होता? मो. ओके, राइट. एंड D by C equal to what? 7. Right ना? D by C equal to 7. Just here, D by C I2 और 7 I2. So D by C equal to 7. तो D equal to what? D equal to what? 7 by, sorry, D equal to what? 7C. So 7 और C कितना है? 1 by 3. So in this way you will get, right? So in this way you will get this one. ओके, D आ गया. अभी आपको क्या करना है? A और B निकालना है ना. करता हूं 5. A और B में क्या है? V1 V2 I2. V1 V2 I2. I1 नहीं है, तो एक काम करता हूं, I1 की वैल्यू आपने कहां से ली थी? एक काम करता हूं, 3 हाँ हाँ, V1 I1 I2 इक्वेशन 1 2, V1 I1 I2 कंपेयर करने के लिए, राइट ना, V1 I1 I2 और यहाँ V2 नहीं चाहिए, तो पुट 5 इन 3। क्यों 5 4 में क्यों नहीं रखा, 4 से ये आया है, यहीं से 4 से आया ना रीअरेंज करने के बाद, सो 5 इन 3 पुट करते हैं। ओके, सो व्हेन यू पुट 5 इन 3 क्या आएगा, पुट 5 इन 3। ओके, सो क्या आएगा, V1 इक्वल टू A, V2 कितना है, ये है V1 इक्वल टू A इंटू V2, V2 ये है 1 बाई C I1 प्लस D बाई C I2, ये आ गया V2 माइनस B I2। So you will get V1 equal to A by C I1 plus AD upon C minus B I2, right now AD upon C I2 minus B I2. So equation number say 6. So you will get V1 in terms of I1 I2, V1 in terms of I1 I2, right? So compare 1 and 6. If you compare 1 and 6, क्या मिलेगा, A by C equal to what? A by C equal to what? 5. A by C equal to, देखो ये A by C equal to क्या है, A by C equal to ये 5. So A equal to what? 5C. C कितना था आपने निकाला था, C 1 by 3. So you will get 5 by 3. Clear ना? Similarly AD by C minus B I2 equal to 3. AD by C minus B equal to 3. So B equal to क्या आएगा, AD by C plus, sorry यहाँ minus 3 आ जाएगा, equal to B आ जाएगा. We have to find B only. ये 3 यहाँ. So A कितना है, what is the value of A? I got A. A कितना है, 5 by 3. D कितना है, D? I got D. 7 by 3. Upon C कितना है, I got C also, yeah, C 1 by 3, right, minus 3 equal to B. So एक 3 3 कट जाएगा, so 5 into 7 35 by 3 minus 9 equal to B. So 35 minus 27 कितना आएगा, 8 by 3 equal to B. So in this way you will get A, B, C, D. B equal to what? I am getting A equal to 1 by 3, D equal to 7 by 3, A equal to 5 by 3, and B equal to, just I'm confused, B equal to what? B equal to, B equal to, B करेक्ट है क्या? B equal to क्या होगा, AD minus BC, AD minus BC upon C. AD 5 by 3 minus 7 by 3 upon 1 by 3. So 1 कट जाएगा, तो 35 by 3 आ जाएगा, minus 3 equal to B. So 35 minus 9 upon 3. So I think it is 8 by 3. It is a correct answer. AD क्या आ रहा है, AD minus BC, यही आएगा ना. AD कितना है, AD minus BC upon C. I think it is 8 by 3. A कितना A? What is the value of A? A is 5 by 3 into D कितना है? What is the value of D? 7 by 3 minus B. We have to find B. C कितना है? C 1 by 3 upon 1 by 3. So 35. Oh, sorry. Okay, 35 by 9 so AD minus AD is 5 by 3 into 7 by 3 upon 1 by 3 minus B is what? 3. So 3 यहाँ आएगा तो AD 7 पन्ना 35 by 3 minus 3. So it is 8 by 3. Okay. So this is the way of getting the value of transmission parameter. Now I am rubbing it, and last parameter we will try to get, that is the H parameter. Okay, and last parameter I am going to try, that is the H parameter I will try. So we know the equation, right? What are the equations we have? V1 and V2 equal to what? Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, and V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So these equation number 1 and 2 we got from the equation from KVL. I got it. आपको नहीं मालूम है तो आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं, डायरेक्टली ट्राई करना है, ऐसा दिया है प्रॉब्लम. This was V2, this was V1, this was 2, 3, 4. Write the KVL. Loop 1 I1, loop 2 I2. If you write the KVL, you will get this equation. Then standard equation of what? Standard equation of क्या निकालना है? H parameter. What is H parameter? Yes, what is H parameter? V1 and I2 will be represented in terms of I1 and V2. That is a standard parameter. यहाँ sign plus है. 1 1 H11, 1 2 H12, 2 1 H21, 2 2 H22. Equation number 3 and 4. This is the H parameter, right? Now, how to get H parameter? Please share. This is equation number 2. If you see V2 in terms of I1, I2, 2. V2 in terms of I1, I2, 4. यहाँ पर भी V2 I1 I2 है, यहाँ पर भी V2 I1 I2 है. So आपको क्या करना है? Rearrange 4. I'm not going to derive the formula and not going to mug up the formula. I'm just trying from the rearrangement. So rearrange 4. So V2 equal to क्या होगा? H V2 H22 V2 equal to what? ये इधर आएगा तो क्या होएगा? H22 V2 equal to what? H minus H21 I1 plus I2. I want V2 in terms of I1, I2, V2 in terms of I1, I2, right? So H22 equal to what? V2 equal to what? Minus H21 upon H22 I1 plus 1 upon H22 I2, equation number 5. Compare 2 and 5. If you compare 2 and 5, just here, 1 upon H22 equal to what? 7. So I will get H22 equal to 1 by 7. That is the first answer, I got it. H22 equal to 1 by 7. Sorry. Is it correct? I have rearranged 4. I have 5, 3, 3, 7, right? So V1 and I2. ओके सो 4 को रीअरेंज किया है V2 इक्वल टू क्या आएगा V2 इक्वल टू व्हाट H22 V2 इक्वल टू माइनस H21 I1 प्लस I2 ओके सो H22 इक्वल टू क्या V2 इक्वल टू व्हाट माइनस H21 अपॉन H22 I1 प्लस 1 upon H22 I2 okay compare 2 and 5 2 get 7 equal to what 1 upon H22 so H22 is 1 by 7 right okay and my 3 equal to what compare 2 and 5 करेंगे so क्या आएगा 3 equal to what this so minus H21 upon H22 equal to 3 so H21 equal to क्या आएगा minus 3 into H22 minus 3 into 1 by 7 equal to 1 by 7 so minus 3 by 7 so I got H21 equal to minus 3 by 7 right now I want this H11 and this so एक काम करते हैं this is the equation 5 V1 I1 I2 यहाँ पर भी V1 I1 I2 चाहिए यहाँ V2 नहीं चाहिए so we will put the 5 in 3 put 5 in 3 clear so when you put 5 so V1 equal to what V1 equal to this V1 equal to H11 I1 H11 I1 no problem plus H12 V2 H12 V2 की वैल्यू कहाँ है ये what is the value of V2 this value minus H21 upon H22 I1 plus 1 by H22 I2 right so I got it so I want V1 in terms of I1 I2 so V1 in terms of H11 minus H12 H21 upon H22 I1 okay plus 1 upon H22 I2 sorry H12 upon H22 I2 so I got it just so again I'm just observing it V1 equal to I'm going to put 5 in 3 so V1 equal to H11 I1 this H11 I1 plus H12 common V2 equal to this minus H21 upon H22 I1 plus 1 upon H22 I2 so यहाँ आएगा H11 minus H12 H21 upon H22 I1 plus H12 upon H22 I2. So I got this H21 already. This answer I got it. Okay, H12 I got H21 and H22. So something is wrong, I think so. Something is wrong. V1, 1, V1 in terms of what? V1 in terms of H11 I1 plus H12 I2 V2. I2 equal to what? H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Okay, so rearrange 4. So if you rearrange 4, H22 V2 equal to I got minus H21 I1 plus I2, right? So V2 equal to what? Minus H21 upon H22 I1 plus 1 by H22 I2. So 1 by H22 equal to 7. So I got H22 equal to 1 by 7, correct? और यहाँ minus H21 upon H22 equal to I got 3. So H21 equal to minus 3 into H22, that is 3 by 7. So I got H21 and H22. So just here, this is equation number 6, correct? I got 6. So from 6 and 1, from 1 and 6, from 1 and 6, I am going to here from 1 and 6. देखो H12 upon H22, H12 upon H22, H12 upon H22 equal to what? 3. So H12 equal to what? 3H22. H12 equal to what? 3H22. So 3H22 is what? 1 by 7. So I'm getting 3 by 7. Okay, that is a H12. Okay, and this H11 minus H12 H21 upon H22 equal to what? This equal to what? This 3. Okay, this 3. So क्या निकालना है? H11. H11 equal to what? 3 plus H12 H21 upon H upon upon H22. So 3 plus H12 कितना है? H12 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 3 by 7 into H21 कितना है? H21 minus 3 by 7 upon H22 कितना है? H22. I got H22 earlier, 1 by 7. So you will get 3 plus 3 by 7 minus 9. 3 into 3 9 और एक 7 7 कट जाएगा. So upon 7. Okay. So 21 minus 9. 13. बराबर है 21 minus 9. 12 by 7. Okay, so I am getting H11. So I am getting H11 is 12 by 7. So okay, so I got H11 is 12 by 7. So this is the way. Maybe some calculation mistake may be possible, but this is the way of solving the problem. क्या करने का? पहले you have to write the Z parameter equation, we got it from KVL. Standard equation, rearrange, find the two values, put the value of 1 in other equation, maybe 3, and compare 1 and 6. So always try to do it, you will get the answer, right? So I'm rubbing it. Okay, I'm coming back to this solution. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Okay, I'm stopping here only because I have solved one same problem and we got all four parameters: Z parameter, Y parameter, transmission parameter, and hybrid parameter, right? And next I will solve the uh, part 2, part 3, part 4, different types of problem we will try to get. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully.